I'm verbal ace beatboxer from outer space. Check, check, 80. I'm gonna warm up, why is that off? There we go. Okay, I'm gonna warm up real quick with an old school beatbox that, goes like this. Game is that? Yes, Tetris, very good. Okay. Yes, that was Tetris. What about this game? It goes. You know what? Wait, it does have a snake in it, the game. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nobody's played Castlevania? Yes, Castlevania. Yeah, Castlevania. All right. Here's another one that everybody had a hard time guessing. Well, kind of, sort of. Okay, what's this game? It goes. I can tell you never. Wait, what? Yes, Sonic the Hedgehog. Yes, you know, number 2. All right, by the way, this is my ad for a Red Bull commercial. They turned me down because I said if you were to drink this stuff all day, this would happen to you. Red Bull, but once it starts to wear down. So yeah, don't drink it all day. Yes, so that's when it comes from Ace beatboxer from outer space. Why did I get feedback from this thing? So yes, I'm from Ace. I do all kinds of crazy sound effects and voice impressions. Before I do my next routine, if anybody would like to know how I can make 2 sounds at the same time, it's because I have a radio stuck in my nose and it's playing gunman style. Gotta get that fixed. Yes, I got a radio stuck in my nose. And never eat crickets or you end up going like this. I'm gonna put an echo on the mic. Echo. Okay, here we go. Crickets. That's better. Gotta get that fixed. Cricket sounds, and I believe the FBI is looking for me. Listen, actually, I'm gonna change these lights so you can see the full trajectory of the sound. I hate that word. Check. Actually, the lights aren't working. We'll have to get those fixed. Check. There we go. I'm gonna show you the crazy sound. Check, which goes like this. Okay, good, they didn't find me. Oh, crap. Can you imagine if it just went like that? Yes, helicopters. And here's the most annoying sound in the entire world. A sound that nobody likes to hear. Well, the first sound is this. That's the first sound. But the other sound is this. think I got it. I think it flies, that's nasty. By the way, I can imitate a cell phone sound too. You know, cell phones, they go. Where's that coming from? Wait a minute. Oh, sorry. It's not a phone. Oh, man. Yeah. That's disgusting. Especially in a bathroom. You ever go in a bathroom and you hear somebody down there? That's gross. So yes, I'm from ASE. Speaking of bathrooms, you never want to go into a public bathroom and have the helicopters as a problem on the toilet. There's constipation, all that stuff. And then you got helicopters, which is the worst ever. So you walk into the bathroom. Oh man. I can't get water down something. You alright, man?
Yeah, shut up.
Oh my gosh. There's no toilet paper. Oh. And the worst is the buildup when you're on the toilet and it's like. And then you feel like 20 pounds lighter. That's disgusting. All right. So yes, I'm Verbal Ace, beatboxer from outer space. I do crazy sound effects and voice impressions. By the way, you guys may not know this, but I'm actually the voice you hear every day in the subway stations. I'm the voice you guys hear at Columbus Circle and this station. I'll do the exact announcement from Columbus Circle. I'm the guy that says, the next Uptown Express 1 train to Brooklyn Park, 247th Street will arrive in 2 minutes. That's my voice. I used to work for the MTA, but they fired me because I said, the next Uptown Express train is skipping the station. Why is it skipping the station? That's why they fired me, because I was too scary. So yes, I'm the voice of that guy, and I'm also the voice you hear on the subway trains that says,
stand clear of the closing doors, please.
yes, that's my voice. I used to be the voice of the trains too, but again, they fired me because I said,
Ladies and gentlemen, we are being delayed because I don't know where I'm going. Please be patient. Transfers available to the same train you're on, so don't bother getting off.
what? Why did we make the announcement?
I have no idea.
Then when he gets to the new Atlantic Avenue station, he says,
This is Atlantic Avenue. Public transfers available to the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 trains. And if you're really in a hurry, we have the Starship Enterprise waiting right outside the station.
for what?
For light speed.
And here's my favorite voice to imitate when if you guys take the trains tomorrow on the weekends. If you take the trains on the weekends, the train dispatchers, when they make an announcement, they sound like this. Wait, what did you say?
Exactly.
I think they do that on purpose. So yes, I'm Verbal Ace. You guys heard my sound. The cell phone. That's okay. You guys heard the cell phone sound. But if somebody ever calls you guys on your cell phone and you don't want to talk to them, I'll pick up the phone and get rid of them by saying,
We're sorry, the person you are trying to reach is not available. Please hang up and don't try again. Message L16.
or give them the other one.
At the subscriber's request, this phone is not accepting any incoming calls. Message L17.
And if none of those work, I'll give them the confusing voicemail with my happy voice. It'll say,
I'm sorry, we're not available to take your call. Please press 1 to leave a message. If you press 1 to leave a message, please press 2. If you press 2 because you press 1 to leave a message, please press 3. Come on. I'm sorry, 3 is not an option. Goodbye. What? Hello?
I'll never call you again. So yes, I'm Verbal Ace. I do all kinds of crazy sound effects and voice impressions. You guys heard the music in my nose. I still gotta get that fixed. So yes, I do all kinds of crazy sound effects and voice impressions. Oh yeah, I'm on the cards. But if you guys want to check me out on YouTube, type in Verbal Ace, Madison Square Garden. I performed there. I was on Fox 5 News, and I beatboxed for Nick Cannon, with Nick Cannon, thank you, and Times Square for the TV show America's Got Talent that aired me on TV for 5 seconds. But you guys can check out the full thing on YouTube. Anyway, I'm gonna take a quick drink of water and I'm gonna do some more crazy beatboxing and stuff. I'll be right back. And if anybody would be kind enough to leave a donation, thank you guys so much. I'm Verbal Ace. I shall return. Thank you.
Thank you guys.